The last feature we'll look at here is symbols, and I'll just clear some of this area here so we can, and I'm going to bring on something that was actually a symbol with nested objects in Flash. And you can see that it comes in as 3 objects, and like in Flash, you can double click and you get the nested symbols, and you can edit those. You can see you also get a second ruler here, and it works kind of in conjunction with the first one. You get the inner grid coordinates here. The left of this object in the symbol is 149, but outside the symbol is 205 because the symbol is actually offset on the stage like that. If I double click out, you can see you also can rotate these, and if I have these rotated and double click to edit them, you get a rotated axis on this nested ruler. This has been kind of tested and it should be working, but it definitely has not been exercised a lot. So if there's bugs in here, in fact there are a few bugs in here that are known. One, for example, if I double click on these rulers, I can drag out, or I used to be able to drag out guides. Maybe I turned that off, but anyway, the guide feature was a little bit flaky within that. That's one of the things that has to be fixed for sure. But anyway, you can make your own symbols. Here we can get a car, and we can get a little guy. Where is the guy? Here's the guy. We can flip him horizontal with our control slash. We can bring him onto the car. We can put him behind the car with control down arrow. We can position him with the arrow keys super nudge. We can click him again. Again, you can click through bitmaps in transparent areas. The bitmaps aren't completely stupid about what's transparent and what isn't. So I click through to select that guy. You can see I can get behind him, but if I click on a solid area, I actually click the bitmap. And now I can make this whole thing, if I select them together, a symbol with the F8 key. And you can see now I have a symbol down in here. Okay, and then if I create multiple copies of this symbol, I could rename it, but whatever. Now if I go in and make the guy, for example, a lot bigger, you can see the other symbol also made the guy a lot bigger. Okay, and to edit in place, you can use, I believe it's Control E, and you go in and edit him, and then double click and you edit out. Also, when you edit him, you'll see there's at the top here, there's like test and symbol 1. You can see there's like kind of breadcrumbs as you go along into the editing there.